Meet the all-new Xiaomi 18 Pro, a flagship built to impress. From a stunning new design to powerful cameras, flagship performance, and a massive battery, here's everything you need to know. The Xiaomi 18 Pro brings a premium compact design with ultra-thin bezels, a sleek metal frame, and a bold new rear camera module that gives the phone a truly flagship identity. On the front, you get a beautiful 6.3-inch LTPO OLED flat display with vibrant colors, smooth visuals, ultra-narrow bezels, and a premium viewing experience for everyday use. Powering the Xiaomi 18 Pro is the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 chipset, delivering blazing fast performance, improved efficiency, and a smooth flagship experience for gaming and multitasking. The camera system is equally impressive, featuring a powerful 200-megapixel main sensor, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for stunning photos in every situation. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 7,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, built to deliver incredible endurance while keeping the phone slim and comfortable to hold. Charging is just as impressive, with support for blazing fast 100W wired and 100W wireless charging, so you can spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Xiaomi also brings powerful AI features, including a dedicated AI button for instant translations, smart summaries, and quick system controls, making everyday tasks faster and easier. The Xiaomi 18 Pro is also expected to feature a privacy display for enhanced screen security, along with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, delivering a smooth and responsive flagship experience.
So what do you think about the Xiaomi 18 Pro? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech updates.